Yo guys, kwaze kwakuningi molweni namkelekile nonke kwezi Chisabe Entertainment. Literally izolo I was reporting on Ubonga and Ukesha right after one of their former employees, Ufufu, basically came forward exposing Ubonga. Guys, Ubonga even went as far as crying, saying that what Ufufu was saying about him nokuthi yena uyachita nopalesa is 100% a lie. And now guys, unoni, here she is naye uyakhala on Facebook uthi guys uMavik ungitshithelile for a whole 2 years ngihleli kubuhlungu. Angazi guys, some people have been saying lento kaKhisha noBonga it's a prank, and now unoni ngalana, some are also saying it's a prank. I don't know. I'm literally so overwhelmed nami as ngenza le video lena, because I know so many of us, we do look up to these people. Obviously Ubonga and Ukesha nabo, they recently lobolad one another, Unoni and Umavik. You know, they have been husband and wife for a very long time. They've been doing content. And so for us to be hearing such as their fans, it's really devastating and heartbreaking. Konage, one of the people on TikTok that said that the reason as to why so much is happening is because of the polygamist. The polygamist literally gave a lot of women strength to leave toxic marriages and also relationships. That is why Konanje Umoya ofike no Jonasi and uJoyce, you guys, kuningi okwenzakalayo. So many married women have been coming forward, and so many women have been getting a lot of strength to leave their toxic relationships. So guys, for those of you abangamlandeli unoni, or because she did say that she might delete later on, but she has been hurting a lot, so I'm just going to go ahead and share with you guys what she has shared with us about umshado wakhe. Okay, uqale lana ke, it was 9 hours ago, and uthi guys, I am tired of pretending. I have been cheated on. I've been cheated on for the past 2 years. This has broken me so much, that to such an extent that I lost myself, and I sengithathe isinqumo sokumyeka uJonas. How am I, guys? Then she went on ke exposed uGeli achitha naye ke uJonas wakhe. Wathi nje, you can have him sisi, uze umphathe kahle. I really love this man. How am I, bafethu? Oh my God. Uthi-ke umqondisi usengenze uhlanya kakhulu. I'm probably gonna regret this ekseni, but I'm really so angry. Angazi ngizenzeni at this point. I've been so scared to walk away from this marriage. Ngisaba ukuhlekwa. Ay hlekani bafazi. I deserve better than this. She then went on expose ke lana khona ama-used protection, right? And mangimbuza wathi, oh, ubuyele lokho ukulokhu uzongibuza imibuzo. So I then took a decision for us to part ways, singaxabananga izolo, and I came to an agreement izolo, right? Izolo. Then today I realized no man ngiyamthanda umuntu wami sana, right, for lips khathi nje wathi uyabuya, says kuma-security, umuntu ngimfica etebhisini ukhuluma nentombi. I'm not proud to admit this, but I lost it. Ngamshaya, ngamkweba. It got physical nje ngempela, sashayana. How am I, guys? Then ke wamveza ke uMatipa noJonas. She was pregnant here apparently. Ningizwisile ubuhlungu nina, ha? Ayike guys. Then ke nango ke she went on to expose ama chats between them, and then she then wrote ukuthi we had access to each other's phones, passwords, face ID and all. I never found anything on his phone. Baby boy was cheating on his brother's phone. If a man wants to cheat, he will. How am I, guys? Into engizoyikhala makuphela le ashwagandha egazini ngizokwenza njani. So she basically took ashwagandha. Yo guys, I'm just reading, and I'm also realizing with you, because I didn't read everything before I made this video. Then we are shuguti, she's going back to Ubers, no more being driven in a car, and that she says no one is bigger than the program. Kubhlungu angifuni ukungasho. Then ke in closing she said kukhona le sound ethi akuphume ikwerekwere kungene umuntu. It had a caption ethi side chick to wife. Then she uside chick reposted it. Hey, liphumile ke ikwerekwere. This is when she said, yeah, she is out. And she also went on, guys, and basically posted is Tombe Zabo saying that it is literally over between the two of them. Yo, guys, kwaze kwashuba. Guys, I'm so overwhelmed. I am so overwhelmed, guys. Like, I can feel it here. Ukuve like into xa ihleli apha emagxeni. Yo, bafazi andiyazi ngizoyiqala ngaphi, but ndiye ndabona i-followers ezininzi, especially on TikTok, because since Unoni released this on Facebook, obviously abantu abaninzi you know, trying to support her, saying that we support you, we are with you. They are believing everything Unoni akayibhalile about Maverick. However, on TikTok abantu are now analyzing the whole situation, saying that no, Unoni probably wants us to vote for her for iculo lakhe, and you know, she wants more streams. That is the reason as to why she would expose indoda yakhe kanjena, because she wants more streams and more viewers, more followers, more listeners, which will then later on translate into imali, guys. So that is what people analysis TikTok, that is how people analyze the entire situation. But nje ipranki baye bahlala phansi, they thought this through as a couple, and then they decided that we are going to use this to our advantage. Then sizothi egcineni iprank. But khona ke nabanye abanoticile ukuthi hey, Unoni has not been posting umuntu wakhe for a very long time, and some were even going as far as asking her on Facebook ukuthi, could this be the reason as to why you have not been posting him kakulu on your socials? Then she did respond to say that yes, that is the reason as to why benibona ke nginga posting. There is yet another loophole ke abantu abaye bayibona, especially whereby she was exposing the, what do you call this, the side chick and Maverick ukuthi bebexoxa kanjani, since bona they had each other's passwords, face ID, fingerprint, everything kwamafoni wabo. So kukhona ke oye wabuza ukuthi it literally does not make any sense, because why is then this person saved as MQ's little brother if ngempela ifone kabhuti wakhe lena? Then she then responded, where is this comment? Where did I see the comment? Oh, she then responded, but why would he save his own brother as MQ's little brother instead of brother or something like I'm saving as igama? Then Unoni responded, because people were not trusting, saying this is a loophole, it's a prank. She responded and said, I am the one who saved the number like that. He didn't have this number. Then ngamsendela on WhatsApp, and he just saved it like that, and he did not change it. Like wavele waiseva kanjeyana. And another person came forward that was now believing what she is saying, and he said nothing can stop a man from cheating, only himself. If he decides it's done, he will choose you over anyone. Then Unoni responded and said, I learned this the hard way. Yo, guys, stress, I am overwhelmed, honestly speaking. So that would be the update of the hour, guys. Please let me know what your thoughts are. Go let the story and get on bona shortly. Bye, guys.